All right, the first box I'm opening is the Icon 4-hit Series 13 box, 17 of 24. Just broke the paper. You can see it's wrapped really cheaply. Brown paper. And it's in a bubble envelope, which I think is really kind of just crappy. But let's see what I got. Hopefully something good. The first couple boxes I got were not very good. In the past, at least. So the first card, Isaac Bruce. I mean, it's just a insert, not even worth $1. Doug Flutie. Worth maybe 25 cents. Let's see here. AJ Green rookie. I mean, a couple bucks. A Reggie Wayne basic card. Junk. Jerry Rice, a standard Topps card. Not even worth 50 cents probably. This is a Triple Threads. I mean, look at the players on this. Jay Fiedler. I don't even know who those other guys are. Junk. Trent Smith. Don't even know who he is. So I probably paid 50 bucks for this, 60 bucks, and I got absolutely nothing. Garbage. I could have bought all those on eBay for probably $3. Next one is Baseball Series 7, box 13 of 24. Let me open this up. Same thing again. Same packaging. Let's see here. Huh. I have no idea who this is. I've never heard of him. It's a 19... Looks like a 52. Sorry, 53. Gus Zernal. I don't know if I'm even saying that right. I have no idea who this is. Hopefully it's worth something, but based on my luck, probably nothing. Next box is Football Series 12, box 23-24. Hopefully I don't get some no names like the last one. What sucks about this is that I've probably spent total $500 to $600 in the last month on these boxes. A couple from sportscards.com and a couple Icon boxes. And I've literally got nothing that I would want to buy as a single card. And I hope people pay attention to this, but also that they don't waste their money. And that maybe Pristine will look at the quality of what they're putting in these boxes, especially the people who want to spend money but also want to get something decent. So let's see what I got here. Jack Youngblood. I see his name a lot. Autographed card. Not bad. Looks like it says something like Mike up the very top. He's alright. He's not really a huge name, but not a bad card. Bunch of no-namers. Junk. Oh, look at this. A John Elway Common 96 Flair that I probably have 10 of these already, and it's probably worth 50 cents. The Youngblood, it's alright, though. It's a decent card. I don't know if I'd pay $70 for this. I wouldn't probably pay 10 bucks on eBay, so another loss. Got one more to go. Next time I get some scissors. What's depressing though is when you get those cards that you don't want. It just sucks because like you don't even want to put it in your collection, and it sucks to just feel like, well, I'm gonna throw it away. Especially when you pay about $70, $80. It's not so much even the box cost, it's the fact that you pay that 17% fee and then shipping. All right, the last one. Hope I get something good. Seems like it's one graded card. Who the fuck is this? Junk. I'm telling you guys, this stuff's so depressing. Wish I had something better to show you guys, but that's it. Good luck to you all. Don't buy these icon boxes. Garbage.